Hello, my name is Dylan and today I have here a very special box. Okay, so let's see what we have in this box. So, at first, there is a whole new Apple Pencil 2nd generation. In addition to all new iPad Pro, I also bought this wireless charger that will be used in my car, so that's also very good. Then we have an all-new Apple iPad Smart Folio case to protect my new iPad Pro. And the best thing is the all-new iPad Pro 2020 12.9-inch 256 gigs. Now we can put this box aside and move to the fun part. So the box itself is certainly gorgeous. I just love this gorgeous picture of an iPad Pro 2020, and you can see that the text on the sides matches the color of my iPad, which in this case is silver. So now it's time for unboxing. Those boxes are really hard to open because they're really tight. But look at that. Here is this gorgeous, very big new iPad Pro 2020. Now if we put it... Oh my god, it's incredible! It's incredibly thin and sleek and so incredibly light for this size of an iPad. It's mind-blowing. Now just look at that. Wow, it certainly is the most beautiful device I have ever seen. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this gorgeous camera bump, there are like two cameras. Okay, we have like the normal wide lens and then also the all-new ultra-wide lens for the first time on an iPad. And it's mind-blowing. There is also a smart connector, and here is the place for the Apple Pencil so it can magnetically attach and charge itself. Okay, so now we will put this iPad aside and see all the other stuff that we have in the box. Here is a booklet with all the tips and instructions, how to use this all-new iPad Pro. And there, of course, are also quite a gigantic Apple sticker, so this is quite good. The best thing about this iPad Pro is that it has a USB-C type connector and also lighting like all other iOS devices. So we got like this 18-watt USB-C to USB-C charger like with the iPhone 11 Pro series, and of course USB-C to USB-C cable. And that is basically everything that we have in the box. So now it's time to see this gorgeous iPad, of course. So if I just power it up. It is indeed incredibly big device, but so light that you can basically hold it with like 2 fingers. It's incredible. So now it's time to open this whole new Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Just look at this beauty. So here we have, of course, again, some tips on how to use this Apple Pencil. I believe that there are no Apple stickers. No, there are no Apple stickers because this product is of course considered to be an accessory and not a standalone product, so it's not surprising. And there is this gorgeous Apple Pencil. It's indeed very light, just like a normal pencil. The new iPad Pro also has like 4 speakers, one here, here, and then also 2 on the other side, and it's supposed to have a studio quality microphone, so that should be quite good. And also you can see that here are like 2 cameras, but also a LiDAR sensor, which is here to support better AR capabilities. Okay, so the last thing I have here is this Apple Smart Folio case to protect my all-new Apple iPad Pro. So this is also quite an interesting unboxing experience. And here is this big case that should protect my iPad so it won't have any problems. So attach it like in. It's certainly one of the easiest experience ever. You can basically just put an iPad in and it automatically attaches. So, here is the all-new iPad Pro with Apple Pencil and this Smart Folio case. I will do a full review in the coming weeks, so stay tuned for that. But that's all for today, so I hope you like it. Have a great day. Bye.